Hi everyone, welcome back. So today, what we are going to look is we are hearing about AI everywhere, and we are more focused on AI projects. That is the era that is going to come. So looking at that perspective, what I'm trying to share is if you're trying to run an AI project using standard Agile, is it the right approach? For me, based on my understanding, it will become a mess actually. So why? Because traditional agile was made for predictable software, right? But AI is more like a science experiment, and it's unpredictable. And if you're interviewing for an AI project manager role, you need to show you know how to handle that uncertainty. And here are some simple ways to merge AI with Agile. And again, this is based on my experience and my view, and there will be different ways and different options available, which can be added on based on your experience and the situation out there. Now, what the first thing we have to look at is the research versus the sprint actually. Now, in this particular area, AI needs a lot of research time, and that doesn't always fit into a 2 week window. I think people who are already working on these areas might already experience this. Please share your views and comments on this actually. And don't force the team to have a finished product every sprint. Instead, use spikes actually. Think of this as a research task where the goal is just to learn if an idea will actually work before you commit to building it. So that is what we are doing here actually. Now, what will be the second point here? We mean, and done is having a lot of importance in agile world, right? Now, in a regular apps, a feature is done when the button works, but in AI, done is about accuracy. You have to agree with your team on a goal, like the AI being right 90% of the time before you can call a task finished actually. So that is a point we have to look into and focus on. And if it does not accurate enough, the code doesn't matter here actually, because we are working on an AI project. Now, third line item which you have to focus is on changing the plans actually. Now, AI model depends on data, as everyone knows, and everyone has experienced data as well. And data changes all the time. And as a PM, you have to be ready to pivot. And if the data changes, the model might break actually. And people might have already experienced this as a TPM or a program manager or a lead who are into these delivery pipelines and other things, right? But again, you need to at the same time you need to explain to a boss that changing the plan isn't a mistake actually. It's just how you keep the AI smart. So that is the important skill every person should hold actually for meeting this particular criteria. Now, the fourth line item will be the product owner has a new job altogether. So all product managers or product owners, bear with me for that. I think you are already knowing it and you are already into it actually. But this is what, from an agile perspective, as a program manager or a TPM, we have to focus, or we have to be in this area. And a product owner has a new job where they will play the role of a data guard actually. And you can't just focus on how the app looks actually, or the look and feel or the user experience is all about, or all the features are working, but you have to focus on the data behind it as well. Yes, partially it is been done even for the traditional time of delivery as well, but here it is a little bit more important focusing on data. Now, if the data is bad, the AI is actually useless, right? So your to-do list must put data cleaning at the very top of the item, or of the checklist should hold this as the first line item. Now, this is the fourth line item which we discussed. Now, the what is fifth line item will be the new ways to measure success. So in normal projects, we track how many tasks we finish, right? Everyone will happy actually. Okay, we completed this much number of user stories, this much number of velocity we have earned. All those things we will be highlighting to the leadership, and that is all good actually. In AI, that doesn't tell the whole story actually. Instead, track how fast are we learning or how many experiments worked actually as part of AI. This shows the company that we are making a real progress actually, even if you aren't shipping a new feature every single day actually. So this is the point which you have to be very much careful. Now, now that is all the 5 points, at least at this point of time, you have to focus on. And agile is actually a way of thinking, but AI is way of experimenting. And if you can manage both, you will be the best PM in the room, everywhere and everywhere as well. So now, how do you handle AI in your sprints actually? Now, tell me your views, your opinions, or thoughts. And also, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making AI work for your team if there are challenges. And see you in the next video. Thank you all.